Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make the perfect Nigerian fish stew. It is very tasty, you guys. It is very easy to make and very delicious. Without no further talking, let's go ahead and get started. For this recipe I'll be using some tomatoes. Okay, yes, in here I have some tomatoes, some scotch bonnet peppers, and some shombo. Okay, you can use tatashi as well, that is bell pepper, but I didn't have it. I have some onions here. Okay, so I will be adding the tomatoes into a blender, okay, to blend this. So I'll be cutting them up, okay, like so, and then the shombo and the peppers as well, I'll be blending in batches. You can as well add in some bell peppers. I didn't have that at hand, so I won't be adding. Okay, you can as well adjust the scotch bonnet peppers according to your taste, okay, according to your heat tolerance. Okay, I'll just go ahead and cut them up into the blender, and then I'll be adding just a little tiny bit of water to help the blender. Okay, so go ahead and blend up the tomatoes. Okay, and when you're done blending it, transfer to a pot. I remained a little bit of the tomatoes, so it will help the other ones. I won't be adding any more water. Okay, so I'm adding in some ginger. You can also add garlic. I didn't have that, so I'm going ahead to add in my onions. Okay, yes, you need onions in this recipe a lot. So you add it up and then allow it to cook down till all the water goes. Here is my fish. I'm using mullet fish here, but you can use any fish you like. I have a detailed recipe on how to fry the perfect fish. Okay, I'll be leaving the link in the description box. Okay, this is the recipe of the fish. So I'm going ahead to fry this fish perfectly. I'm transferring it to a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Yes, and then I'll be shifting the oil into a pot. The stew to fry. You can see we are getting there gradually. See, the oil is already floating. How beautiful it is. Wow. So just give it a quick mix and then allow it to fry more, and then I'll be going ahead to season my stew. Okay, and I'm seasoning with some seasoning cube, one chicken seasoning and one beef seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and add that in, and then I'll be adding in some garlic powder. Okay, and then some cumin powder. I did add salt though, but I didn't capture that, so I'm just going to stir that in and then allow it to incorporate with the stew. You can see, you guys, how beautiful this stew is fried at this point. You can see all the oil is already floating. So when your stew is like this, it is fried enough. Okay, go ahead and add in your fried fish. Okay, like I told you guys, the link of this fried fish recipe is in my description box. Okay, please check it out. Okay, and at this point I'm going to incorporate this fish and the stew on, okay, to mix together. You guys, my kitchen is smelling amazing at this point. I'm just going to combine it together, and then I'll be covering it to steam with the stew. You know, let the fish enter, let the stew enter the fish properly, and then you have it. Wow. It's so amazing, you guys. You can see our stew is ready to be served. Wow, how beautiful. Enjoy with your family, with your loved ones. You can enjoy this with whatever you like. I enjoyed with rice, boiled rice, plantain, beans, whatever you like, even pasta as well. Just enjoy your stew. Okay, please subscribe to my channel if you've not already. Turn on the post notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll be seeing you guys again in my next video. Till then, bye.